This is the Loge 6-quart double Dutch oven. I love this thing. Let me start with one quick thing is it is kind of hard to get open if you don't wait until it cools. When you have on the gloves, which I use to pick this up out of the oven or the campfire, this is very hard to get open. So past that, everything else is great, but that is a little difficult. But look at this. This doubles as a grill. I have this, which is 6 quarts. That's a huge area to make food. Use this for everything from frying and making artisan bread in the oven, making popcorn. When you're camping, this with this is so great because I mean, you basically can cook anything that you want, but you definitely want to get this little grill scraper because these little rivets, and get in there and peel that off without messing up the seasoning. It does come pre-seasoned, but just season yours. You guys know how to do that. Don't, it's a thin coating of oil in the oven at 500 degrees for an hour, pull it back out, repeat that process 4 different times, and then you're good to go. I hope you guys found that helpful. Happy almost fall, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.